Hello, I'm Jeremy, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about ARIA, the set of attributes that helps assistive technologies understand rich web interfaces when plain HTML is not enough on its own. ARIA stands for Accessible Rich Internet Applications. It communicates roles, states, and properties through the accessibility tree that browsers expose to assistive technology. A screen reader might learn that an element behaves like a tab, like a dialog, or like a slider because ARIA supplies that semantic layer. That power matters for custom widgets. Combo boxes with live suggestions, data grids with sortable columns, and complex toolbars may need ARIA to supplement what visuals already show. Without these necessary semantics, assistive technology sees a pile of elements with no clear role. And yet, the community repeats a helpful first rule: use native HTML elements when they could do the job. A real button gives you keyboard support and a clear role out of the box. There's no need to further define that yourself. But a div element with a click handler does not, which would be where good ARIA comes into play. But remember that ARIA cannot replace missing behavior. It only labels what you build, and users expect that behavior to match said label. Think of ARIA like a promise. If you mark a region as live, users expect updates to be announced thoughtfully, not constantly. If you mark a dialog, users expect a clear, closed path and sensible focused movement. Breaking that promise wastes user time and damages trust. Learn patterns from the W3C's ARIA APG or Authoring Practices Guide for your widget category. Test with more than one screen reader when possible, since some may exhibit different responses. Keep semantics minimal but accurate. ARIA used well removes barriers, but ARIA used badly creates new ones. And remember that browsers change. Patterns that worked 5 years ago may need to be updated. Follow release notes from major browsers and assistive technology that you support. Pro tip: document ARIA decisions in your component library so future maintainers of your code understand why certain attributes exist and were written. In conclusion, and I can't understate this, use native HTML whenever possible, and then if a custom component is needed, only then consider ARIA. Map that ARIA with visual design so sighted users and assistive technology users receive consistent state. Mismatches between what people see and what they hear destroys trust faster than almost any other category of bugs. Thanks for watching.